Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Enjoy hot homemade meals anytime, anywhere with convenience. The best electric lunchbox for work heats your food quickly and evenly, offering spill-proof compartments, easy portability, and energy-efficient performance. Perfect for busy professionals seeking fresh, satisfying lunches on the go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SNIFITAR 24,000 mAh Electric Lunchbox. The SNIFITAR 24,000 mAh electric lunchbox is designed for people who want hot meals anytime without depending on a microwave or power outlet. Its large 24,000 mAh battery offers impressive cordless heating, allowing you to warm your food at work, in your car, or outdoors with ease. Simply switch it on 20 to 30 minutes before mealtime and your meal is ready to enjoy. The standout feature is the 4-in-1 smart heating system, which includes 5-sided heating, customizable timer, keep warm mode, and even a freezing mode for added convenience. With a generous 1.3-liter capacity, it easily holds a full meal, making it ideal for those with larger appetites. The food-grade PP plastic and stainless steel construction ensures durability and safety, while the leak-proof silicone seal prevents spills during transport. Cleaning is also hassle-free thanks to the removable SUS 304 stainless steel container that's dishwasher safe. Overall, this electric lunchbox offers excellent portability, smart functionality, and reliable performance, making it a strong choice for busy professionals, travelers, and anyone wanting fresh, warm meals on the go.
Number 2. LunchEAZE 220 degrees Fahrenheit Electric Lunchbox. The LunchEAZE 220 degrees Fahrenheit electric lunchbox delivers premium performance with a fully cordless design that makes heating meals incredibly convenient. Powered by a 14,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this lunchbox allows you to heat food anywhere without needing outlets or microwaves. One of its biggest advantages is the Set It and Forget It feature, which lets you schedule your mealtime so your food is perfectly heated when you're ready to eat. The extra-large 6-cup capacity makes it ideal for larger portions, whether you're packing a hearty lunch or sharing with someone. Another standout feature is the smart on-screen controls, which allow you to adjust temperatures, set schedules, and even personalize display themes directly from the device. The included dual-chamber insulated bag adds extra practicality by offering space for snacks, drinks, and accessories. Designed for professionals, truck drivers, travelers, and busy workers, this lunchbox combines advanced technology with everyday convenience. Overall, the LunchEAZE provides reliable heating, premium features, and smart customization.
Number 3. East Oak Electric Lunchbox. The East Oak Electric Lunchbox offers a practical and portable solution for enjoying warm meals wherever you are. With its 10,000 mAh battery, this lunchbox provides cordless heating that's ideal for work, travel, or outdoor use. The smart timer function is especially helpful, allowing you to set your mealtime in advance so your food heats automatically before you're ready to eat. It also features a memory function that remembers your last settings, saving time and effort for daily use. The 5.5-cup capacity provides enough space for a full meal, making it suitable for lunch, dinner, or leftovers. A removable divider adds flexibility, letting you separate different foods without mixing flavors. The leak-proof silicone seal ensures safe transport, even when carrying soups or sauces. Cleaning is easy thanks to dishwasher-safe components, including the removable container and accessories. Additionally, the included insulated carrying bag enhances portability and convenience.
Number 4. Usfock 24,000 mAh Electric Lunchbox. The Usfock 24,000 mAh electric lunchbox stands out with its powerful battery and advanced heating technology. Equipped with a 24,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers cordless convenience and supports multiple heating cycles on a single charge. The 360-degree 5-sided heating system ensures food warms evenly, preserving moisture, flavor, and texture for a freshly cooked taste. This makes it especially useful for meals like rice, pasta, soups, and leftovers. The Smart Timer feature allows you to schedule heating ahead of time, ensuring your food is hot exactly when you need it. With a 5.5-cup capacity, it provides enough room for a full meal, making it suitable for workdays, travel, or outdoor activities. The leak-resistant silicone seal helps prevent spills, while the removable container simplifies cleaning.
An LED battery indicator also keeps you informed about remaining power, adding extra convenience.
Number 5. Drafin 20,000 milliamp electric lunchbox. The Drafin 20,000 milliamp electric lunchbox offers a powerful and spacious solution for people who need reliable meal heating throughout the day. With its 20,000 milliamp rechargeable battery and 100-watt high-power heating system, this lunchbox provides fast and even heating using a 360-degree surround design. The smart timer function allows users to set their mealtime in advance, ensuring meals are hot and ready without waiting. One of its biggest advantages is the extra-large 6.3 cup capacity, which easily accommodates full meals, making it perfect for adults with larger appetites. The removable divider helps separate different foods, maintaining flavor and organization. Built with BPA-free and odor-free materials, it ensures safe and hygienic food storage. The cordless design makes it convenient for work, travel, construction sites, and outdoor use. Additionally, the durable construction and simple cleaning process enhance everyday usability. Overall, the Drafin electric lunchbox offers strong battery performance, fast heating, and generous capacity. Upgrade your lunchtime routine with an electric lunchbox that combines convenience and reliability. With its quick heating, secure design, and portability, you can enjoy fresh, warm meals every day. Perfect for work, travel, or school, it keeps your food tasty, satisfying, and ready whenever you need it.